Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make Swahili pancakes known as vibibi in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of wheat flour, a half a cup of maize flour, 200 milliliter of coconut milk, which is approximately to 1 cup, 1 packet of yeast, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and lastly, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. In a medium-large bowl, start by adding all the dry ingredients, a half a cup of maize flour, 1 cup of wheat flour, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 packet of yeast, which is approximately to 1 tablespoon, and lastly 4 tablespoons of sugar, and mix everything well. Followed by 1 egg and give a quick mix. Then you're going to add 1 cup of thick coconut milk and give a quick mix, and add half a cup of water and continue mixing till everything is well combined. Your mixture has to look like this. Then cover and place it in a warm place to rise up. After 30 minutes, our mixture has risen up, as you can see in the video. Mix everything well, and it's high time to bake our pancakes. Place a non-stick pan on a medium heat and apply some oil so that the pancakes don't stick at the bottom. Once your pan is hot, pour 1 scoop of the mixture, then cover with a lid and let it cook till the bottom part is completely dry. Once the bottom part is dry and have these small bubbles, apply some oil and flip it on the other side and let it cook till golden brown. When your pancake is well cooked and have this amazing golden brown color, then your pancake is ready. Remove it from the pan and continue with the rest. And my tasty pancakes are ready, as you can see in the video. Look how baked and tasty they look. Serve along with some stew, tea, or anything that you like and enjoy your pancakes. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukia's Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.